Taas to, ayan yan. Kaya pabulusok.
Zipline.
Kaya nga, zipline. Pabot sa taas ng zipline.
Yan lang, magaling si sir. Try.
Hindi kaya ng tricycle siguro to. Ay, kaya naman oh. Oh, meron naman dyan oh.
Yes, talaga kita kasta lang.
Oh, napigsa mo kaya na ito yan. Oh.
Yung tricycle, awa.
Ay, dati tiko niya. Oh. Kaya naman ah. Oh, may ano. Damag yung pikot ka. Tennis.
Napusing na.
Sobrang taekwada na eh.
Nadik na.
Tarik talaga oh.
Kita rin kita giluglugan ito rin kita yung motor.
Oh, yung single motor na.
Oo, 50 may isa.
Oh, okay.
Para kita
oh. Muna ito, pag natagpangato, abandong ka muna. Sila lalabas yung nag-zipline kasi walang one way lang yon, hindi back and forth. Kaya dito sila lalabas. Hindi bakdo. Uklot. Vanilla Beach ba to? Dito ko init. Vanilla Beach. Uy, sino natin sige tayo? Lakad lang kami dito sa kabundukan ng Sierra Madre. Diba? Ang puto na eh. Yan. Dito sila lulusot yung nag-zipline. Lalakad sila sa beach. Kapulit ko nakakontrol. Ako, balik ito pag nagtampo-tambay ito. Gusto ko sa tagawid. Oh. Oh, maya mo ngayon ito niya. Oh. Ay, pag naandang na ito yung ay. Tama ta? Bait.
I can see someone on the zip line.
Kaya mo siya rin doon ako. What's it? It's a dark desk photo. Be in that photo.
Very nice.
Wala di pulya nga ito niya. Ay, ano? Basta?
Parang gusto ko yung mango. Isang mango.
Mga nagsipline na pagod, oh. Dito na sila. Dito sila lumusot. Oh. Ano sila, oh. Ano? Here. Oh, nandito na yung dalawang nagsipline.
But I stayed like
Ha?
We went through the rocks and like it's so steep going down. It's all mud and it's all dirt and like
So-
grass.
But you survived?
Yes, but it was so hard going down. And then
That's good. Nice experience. You want? Get some there. You want ice cream? Hmm?
It's nice here.
It's nice, yeah.
I want like a shake in my feet.
What? Guwas muna. Gugas na ng ano. Oh, see? Good. Yeah? Good? Yeah, go. Oh, yeah.
Guys, I just washed my feet in there. So that was illegal.
so itchy. My face so itchy.
Looking for something.
Hi guys, welcome back to the show. Oh, that helmet was gross.
Why?
That helmet.